Hello students, this is Anupama Labhe for your subject Business Law. We will continue our previous lecture related with Consumer District Forum. Today we are discussing State Commission. First we will see what is the composition of State Commission. Each State Commission shall consist of the following: a person who is or has been a judge of a high court appointed by the state government, who shall be its president. In district forum we have seen that the judge of a district court will be a president of that forum. But when we are talking of state commission, the judge who is of a high court must be the president of the state commission. And the second one is not less than 2 and more than such a number of members as may be prescribed. In addition to president, there must be 2, or the number which is prescribed must consist of the state commission, and of course one of whom shall be a woman director. Following are the qualifications of the members. The member must not be less than 35 years of age. That means he must complete his age of 35 years and must possess a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. It is compulsory for a member to hold the bachelor's degree if he wants to be a member of State Commission. Then be persons of ability, integrity and standing, and have adequate knowledge and experience of at least 10 years in dealing with problems relating to economics, law, commerce. Then provided that not more than 50% of the members shall be from amongst members having a judicial background. What is judicial background? For this purpose of the clause, the persons having a judicial background shall mean persons having knowledge and experience for at least a period of 10 years as a presiding officer at the district level court or any tribunal at equivalent level. So if the body must consist of 50% of the members who has acted as a presiding officer at district level. Then, as we have mentioned the qualification, there are some disqualifications for appointment as a member. He has been convicted and sentenced to imprisonment or an offence which in the opinion of the state government involves moral turpitude, or he is disqualified if he is convicted and sentenced to imprisonment for an offence which in the opinion of the state government involves moral turpitude. The second one is an undischarged insolvent. If he is still insolvent, then that person cannot be appointed as a member of state forum. And if the person is of unsound mind, then also he cannot act as a member of a state forum, and still he stands so declared by a competent court. Then has been removed or dismissed from the service of the government or a body corporate owned or controlled by the government. If any person who is giving his services in any government office or body corporate which is owned and controlled by the central government, and he is removed or dismissed from that position, then he cannot be appointed as a member of the state forum. These are all the disqualifications of the person to be appointed as a member. And then has in the opinion of the state government such financial or other interest as is likely to be affect prejudiciously the discharge by him of his function as a member. If he is having any interest, that means he is interested in some financial matters, and the state government thinks that he cannot perform or he cannot discharge his functions prejudiciously, then he cannot be appointed as a member of the state forum, or has such other disqualifications as may be prescribed by the state government. Okay, these are all the disqualifications of a member to appoint as a disqualification of persons to appoint as a member of the state forum. Then every member of the state commission shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 67 years, whichever is earlier, and shall not be eligible for reappointment. In the case of district forum, we have seen that he can hold the office for not less than 5 years and up to the age of 60 years. But when we are talking of state commission, then the age limit is 67. Okay, whichever is earlier. Jurisdiction. What is the jurisdiction of the state government? The state commission entertain. The district forum shall have the state forum shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of goods and services and the compensation, if any, claim exceeds rupees 20 lakhs but does not exceed rupees 1 crore. That means if, see, in case of district forum, the value is up to 20 lakhs, but when we talk of state forum, the value is between must exceed 20 lakhs and should not exceed rupees 1 crore. And appeals against the order of any district forum within the state. Here I make one mistake, that is district forum, this is state forum. Okay, yes, the state forum shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of goods and services and the compensation, if any, claim exceeds rupees 20 lakhs but does not exceed rupees 1 crore. That means if the value exceeds 20 lakhs but does not exceed 1 crore, then such cases are dealt with by the state forum. Appeals against the order of any district forum within the state. And if any person made some appeal against the district forum, then such cases are also dealt in with by the state forum. To call for the records and pass appropriate orders in any consumer disputes which is pending before or has been decided by any district forum within the state, where it appears to the state commission that such district forum has exercised a jurisdiction not vested in it by law, or has failed to exercise jurisdiction so vested, or has acted in exercise of its jurisdiction illegally or with material irregularity. What does it mean? Then the state forum has a right to call for the records and pass appropriate orders. When it can call the records and pass appropriate orders? When the consumer dispute which is pending before has been decided by any district forum. That means the district forum has not given the decision over that particular case within the state, and then where it appears to the state commission that such district forum has exercised a jurisdiction not vested in it by law, or many times the district forum dealt with such cases which are not vested to it by the law, then such cases are dealt with by the state forum. Or has failed to exercise jurisdiction so vested, and if the case which is in the jurisdiction of the district forum has failed to exercise, then such cases are dealt with by the state forum. And again, if or has acted in exercise of its jurisdiction illegally or with material irregularity. If the state forum finds that this district forum acted in exercise of its jurisdiction illegally or with material irregularity, then also the state forum interferes with such matters, and such cases are dealt with by the state forum. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, then WhatsApp me. Thank you.